It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch. And stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Same with the same old style. Jesus in heaven. Anyway, we can. So we got mint. I love my mint. One heap of mint. One bag of mint already. Got the meat, and also we got some parsley. Love parsley, you know. This is what we make yesterday. Very powerful. And we have some celery. Yeah, celery. 3 sticks of celery. Done with already. Got some cucumber. I'm going to leave some till tomorrow. Here it is. Chef Ricardo alone do my healthy recipe here right now. Nobody know them. People them not do stuff them guys. Baking soda. You know? Make sure you got baking soda upon them because like a people now wash the product down. Yeah, whole heap of people are making some serious decisions in 2024. But when you check it out, nobody do the right thing at home. You can't tell me say when the people eat so many food over the Christmas period and the New Year and Thanksgiving Day, right straight through. I don't want to detox on the body in January month. Lazy. Get up and make your husband some juice, or your husband make you some healthy drinks and give your wife before you go to work. The man them lit, so some man them lazy too, man. Friday me see man in a supermarket to buy orange juice in a 2025 in the morning. Yeah, buy John Star. All right, make sure you wash these guys. All right, because these are very important. And sometimes you can use apple cider vinegar upon it. This is some apple cider vinegar. You know, sometimes we use that upon it to help to remove anything to harm you at home. Alright? Yeah man. So all of them stuff that you see I'm using is very, very important. These are some key recipes. Alright, now let's put this aside and get the blender. Alright, you don't have to use blender, you can use whatever you have at home, but me personally love to use a blender. Alright, greetings, big up on yourself, you don't know. Let's rinse off these ingredients. Excellent. So I rinse off my ingredients then. Alright, so I got fresh mint. We got parsley. Alright, we're gonna put everything in a blender right this.
because we're going to blend up everything in idea. I can't believe though a lot of people still make up their mind and say they want to do a lot of healthy recipe in the new year. But at least a few people me see right now I do it. The other rest of people them say, oh, me work too hard. Me like what going on. Alright. Yeah man. Cut up some celery. So this is the lime. So we're now gonna remove the skin from the lime. Yeah. Just gonna cut it up see here. And get the flavor from the lime. We're using 1 medium-sized lime. Alright. Also we're gonna get some ginger. We don't know the thing already say ginger is a must right now in the blender. This is some ginger. We've done it already. We got the fresh cucumber. Alright. Yeah man. Cucumber is a must. So these are things that you guys need to drink over a period here. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. So once you do that, all right, you want to just put a little bit of water inside of it. All right, that's how people gonna miss the recipes because I think I got a little bit of. Let's put this into. Yeah, my beautiful people, you don't know a thing already. A little bit of water upon this if you want to soak. Alright, let's put on the lid. Now eat that. Breaking news. Yeah man, a good vibes. Me glad me. Boy, I say, Father God, thank you for so much for this. You know what I mean? They can able to do these things because back in the days, I never used to do this. And I hold up on them doctor and juice brother when I see online. I remember when I used to watch them videos. And I'm always thinking in myself. You know, I remember back in the days when I used to be taking this whole heap of medication for headache. Every minute my head was hurting me, working hard. I'm gonna tell you this. If nobody now listen to Chef Ricardo, honestly to God in heaven who created this world. But one thing I can tell our brothers, I learn a lot, and what I learned, I've been sharing it. I'm gonna say something to you. People might, I heard a time a lot of people, why is talking that? You don't need to know this, people. Holy patay you talk and you hear people. Well, we don't want to hear that. But if you're not gonna learn, you're not gonna learn if you're not hearing what's going on right now. There is a lot going on, people. There's a whole heap going on right now, talking to you. And some of them are not even want to share it with you because a lot of people reach out to me and said to me, Chef Ricardo, this and said that and blah, blah. But I'm going to say this to you. Make sure you do, if you don't do nothing in your life, do this. What's going on? Make sure you're looking after your health and looking after yourself. Good vibes, all right? Make on yourself a nice juice, healthy juice. All right, let's blend up this, man. We're not gonna go into nothing this evening. We're just gonna keep it simple for my audience. Let's blend. cooking up this one, Chef Ricardo. You don't know anything already. Number one, you don't have to strain it. You don't have to strain it, guys. Alright. You don't have to. You don't have to strain it. Because you don't know Chef Ricardo. Always again, you know, something fantastic and amazing. Tonight we are going to have bedtime tea tonight. So if you don't miss the video, they are there for you guys to watch. 50% of this is right here, so. Yeah. Juice it up, Chef Ricardo. You don't know anything already. You see, this is very good. Very, very powerful and very good. All right. But at least 50% is right here, and I'm gonna put a little bit in it. All right, green up the place. That's what we're on right now. Green juice, keep things healthy. All right. Yeah, man. Excellent, Chef Ricardo. Let me come right now in the kitchen and make them see what I go on. You know what is this? Superfood. Put that inside of it. Alright. Scrape it out, Chef Ricardo. What you wanna do? Pour out this. Now look at this, guys. This we are talking about. Cheers. Jen, get in the kitchen. Esther delicious. You have a lot of stuff in the back garden. Make sure you don't waste them, because we don't like to see food waste. Wow. That was a delicious one. Wow. That was so beautiful. Okay, we got ginger. We got celery. We got green cucumber, fresh organic cucumber too. We got mint. We got parsley, we got water, and we got key lime. Watch back the video. It's not a movie you're gonna watch now, where you're gonna stay 3-4 hours and just laughing. You're gonna make something which is gonna help you. That is a delicious green juice. I'm gonna put a little bit of this inside of it. Look at that. Wow. This is delicious. Rinse out it. Tomorrow evening, 7 o'clock, right here, so in the kitchen, by the grace of God again. All right, Jen, big up yourself. Craig, big up on yourself.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud, drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air, Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather round the fire tonight, taste the rhythm, pure delight.